Welcome back, Royals. Today we are back in the family lounge with thanks to my friends over at Yaheetech. They were so gracious to send me over not one, but two of their storage kitchen buffet cabinets. I needed two for the project we're working on in our family or TV area in the space. And so without any further ado, let's get into the assembly of it all. I am joining hand in hand with my king to get these pieces together because, as you know, we have been working on our house to home series and taking each space and adding to it as we see fit for our family needs. We have decided to take our two-car garage and convert it into a rec room, family lounge, all the vibes. There'll be TV watching, game playing, bar drinking, and a little bit of workout here and there. So this is going to be perfect, or these are going to be perfect in the addition of getting this space together. As you can see, the assembly of these pieces is so simple. It comes well packaged, and this is where I bit off more than I could chew. I told the love that I could get these screws put in the back of this with no problem. And so he saw that I was so good at it, in fact, that he just sat back and chilled and watched. But my love works hard. He works at night. And so once I saw him getting tired, I was like, babe, just go ahead. I got this. So I am going to continue on with the assembling of it. And it's so easy that even a queen can do it by herself. So thank you, babe, for your help. But guys, I'm going to allow my love to go and rest. And I'm going to assemble this one as well as complete the other one alone. Just proof that you too can do this project. It is a two-person project, but it can easily be done with one person. Again, every tool that you need came with the piece, and you guys can find this piece along with other amazing furniture pieces on the Yaheetech website, or you can find them on Amazon, guys. They have a variety of items to choose from. When it comes to storage, they have you down packed. They have toilet towers. Buffet cabinets is what I'm using here, but I'm using it in an unconventional way. They have bathroom floor cabinets, or anywhere you want to place it that you could use in a space for more storage. They have outdoor metal storage. You name it, Yaheetech has it. Beautiful TV stands. Then the list goes on and on. And as you can see, I am getting this fully assembled. It has the sliding doors and the adjustable shelf, which for me, storage is a necessity. So I so love the features of this cabinetry. Now, of course, I will leave a link in my description box for you all to check out Yaheetech and shop to your heart's content. But in the meantime, watch your girl completely assemble these pieces and stick around for the end to see the end result.
say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck, yeah. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price, yeah. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now we're stuck. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Oh, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. And I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you further away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for? Are you up for? I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
Well, Royals, as you can see, these Yaheetech storage cabinets are perfect in our TV space. They are the perfect addition to flank the TV and fireplace, giving us an additional amount of storage as well as a whole lot of style. I love the way they look in the space. Again, it's going to be very, very functional. We can store treats inside. We can store bar equipment inside. Whatever our heart desires, we can store inside of these sleek cabinets. This is just another phase to get this space complete. We will definitely keep you abreast. So if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and a whole lot of creativity. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, now you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Now, guys, I want to encourage you to hit those notification bells. Click them twice because the House to Home series is definitely up and running. Thank you all for your patience as we dealt with the sudden loss of my mother. I appreciate all the condolences, your love, and your prayers. There was so much needed, and I had to get back into the groove of things and doing what not only I but my mother loved to do, and that was keeping a nice and beautifully styled home. So in honor of the Queen, I am going to continue full force with my House to Home series. In addition to this living space or TV space, we have a dry bar to complete. There's going to be a game area, guys, a nice little workout space, and what's a man cave or family space without a little bar action? So I wanted to style this up and show you guys what it would look like if it was styled as a dry bar. And as you can see, it is nice and slick and giving all the Manhattan vibes that I am here for it all. All right, guys. Now, if you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Also, guys, I have some affiliate links linked in my description box, Amazon being one of them. And you definitely want to check out some of the things that I have listed that I think would be great for my space and for your space. So click it on the link and shop to your heart's content. Once again, I want to thank Yaheetech for sending over these beautiful cabinets, not one but two of them. And as you see, they flank my home beautifully. I am so grateful and so thankful for this collaboration and every collaboration that I do, guys. I won't bring you anything that I am not using or loving for myself. It's never just for gimmicks. It's never just to collab. It's because it's something that I stand behind or that I believe in wholeheartedly. So once again, thank you, Yaheetech, and you guys can click the link in my description box and get into some amazing home decor pieces. Now, until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful day. Bye.